How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be installing a 7-spray hand shower, and in this kit it came with these rubber bushings, so I'm going to install them right now. I'll put them right inside here all the way to the bottom. This way it doesn't leak. And the other side, push it right on in there. And I'll also be needing some plumber's tape or Teflon tape, and also pliers. Okay, let's go to the shower. Okay guys, so next step is to remove the old shower head. So we're going to use our pliers. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, let's unscrew it. So simple. Okay, now we're going to remove the old plumber's tape on here. You can use a towel or a rag. Next, apply the Teflon tape. Now we're going to put on the bracket. Just going to screw it on hand tight. We don't need the wrench for this. Okay. Next. Install your wacky twisted hose. Hand tight. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the other side to our nozzle. Hand tight. We're going to turn on the water and check for leaks. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens. All right. No leaks, baby. All right, guys, there you have it. I'm done. Super fast, easy. What is that? A couple minutes installation. If I can do it, so can you. Believe me, this is super easy. Let me know what you think in the comment section, or just give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Thank you so much for watching again. And my wife's gonna love this. Aloha. Now.